This is a video of the models of our Denray downdraft dust tables and the environmental dust booth. These are models that we will take to trade shows. We will take these machines to various dealers, demonstrating them, educating them on the machines. The filters are 3D printed. We have 3D printed like all the switches, 3D printed all the fans here, the little switches, the lights, and we have the motors and all the components on the inside. This is a double booth set up to be about 20 feet wide. This is a downdraft table with the filter setting here. The little drawer pulls in and out. That's where the dust is at. We've got like a house door sitting on top of it to be sanded. This is a 4x8 table with the motor and the fan compartment with the lid taken off to show the fan. There's the filters. You got your door, opens up. This is your dust drawer that pulls out, that needs to be emptied as needed. This is our tube table filtration system. We have the tubes sitting in here like that. We have the configuration of the top set up for sanding large panels like house doors. Lid raises up. You can see how the tube filters set. And then we have our welding table set up here. We've actually got a couple Ken dolls set up, looking like that they're welding there. And then we have one set up that's welding off of the table, where the smoke would be picked up through a flexible arm. We've got a little welder representation of a welder that's 3D printed there. We have this one that's set up on a hood, and that is an option. The standard machine looks like that. I just kind of wanted to show what modeling done on a little different aspect. There is many hours in building this, but it's a great selling representation of displaying our equipment.